Let's introduce you to CountrySafe, a specialized version of our SmartPanics app designed exclusively for residential complexes, gated communities, and condos. CountrySafe functions similarly to SmartPanics with a few key differences. To get started, users need to select their specific community and input a unique token provided by that community. What makes CountrySafe unique is its visitor management features. Residents can create visitor invitations by filling out a simple form on the app, specifying details like the visit date, time, type, visitor name, license plate, and ID. This information generates a new invitation in the Softguard Access Control and Visitor Management module, where gate security personnel can easily verify it. Additionally, the system generates a QR code that can be shared with guests or service providers through various messaging apps, such as email, SMS, or WhatsApp, streamlining the access process for everyone involved. CountrySafe is the perfect choice for these specialized markets, providing a customized solution that caters precisely to their needs. If you represent a gated community or provide services to these market segments and wish to add a new community to the CountrySafe app, please contact our implementation team.